Hello, friends. Today I will tell you an interesting story. The Lost Kitten and the Big Adventure. In a city where tall buildings touched the sky and bright lights sparkled at night, there lived a small ginger kitten named Leo. He loved chasing butterflies, napping in sunny spots, and watching the world from the safety of his rooftop. But one day, while exploring, Leo saw a tiny bird perched on the edge of the roof. Curious, he stepped closer, but his paw slipped. Before he knew it, he was falling, landing in a completely unfamiliar place. When he woke up, everything looked different. The familiar smells of home were gone. Instead, he saw flickering neon lights, heard the distant hum of cars, and felt the cold pavement beneath his paws. The towering buildings looked even taller from down here. He was lost. Where am I? Leo meowed softly, his voice trembling. A friendly pigeon flapped down beside him. You're in the lower city, little one. It's dangerous for a kitten like you. Strange creatures roam these streets at night. Leo's heart pounded. He had to find his way home. Just then, a sleek black cat with glowing green eyes emerged from the shadows. You're new here, aren't you? The cat asked in a calm, mysterious voice. Yes, Leo replied. I need to get back to my family. Then follow me, the black cat said. I know someone who can help. Leo hesitated for a moment, but decided to trust the stranger. Together, they weaved through narrow alleys and hidden passageways until they reached a small workshop filled with blinking lights and buzzing devices. Inside, a tiny robot with a glowing round eye greeted them. Ah, a lost traveler, the robot chirped cheerfully. I am Bit. I know the way back to the upper city, but the journey won't be easy. Leo's whiskers twitched with determination. I'll do whatever it takes. Bit led Leo and the black cat through winding underground tunnels, past steaming pipes and flickering wires. Along the way, they met new friends, a clever rat who helped them cross a broken bridge, an old turtle who warned them of dangerous paths, and a wise owl who pointed them in the right direction. But suddenly, there was a loud noise in the tunnels. Pairs of glowing eyes appeared in the darkness. It was a pack of street dogs. They growled, their eyes gleaming with excitement. Leo froze. Could he escape? Or was this the end of his adventure? That's all for today. See you in new stories.